Transferring a Trust wallet to another device is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your Trust wallet app on the new device, then tap on Get Started. Now select the option I already have a wallet. You need to set a new passcode for this device. Confirm your passcode to continue. After that, select the option of Restore with secret phrase. Tap on Multi-Coin Wallet. Make sure you have this phrase saved in your phone, and as you can see on the screen here, this is my phrase. Same way you will have a different phrase, you will need to paste this phrase on the previous page. Paste it here and tap the import button. As you can see, our wallet has been successfully imported from another device.